A flooded basement is a homeowner's worst nightmare. A sump pump protects your home from heavy rains and rising waters that can leave behind significant damage and require huge repair costs. Hopefully it'll work perfect and your basement will weather the storm. But what happens if the power goes out, which is a definite possibility with summer storms right around the corner? At that point, you're at the mercy of the storm, unless you have a sump pump with a backup battery. Here's 5 reasons why you should invest with a sump pump battery backup. To begin is not if, but when the power goes out. Next reason is a clogged sump pump. Also, when your primary sump pump float switch doesn't engage. Another reason is if you have a malfunctioning sump pump. And the final reason is to have a peace of mind. You can rest easy knowing that regardless of the weather, if your sump pump with battery backup is properly maintained, it will kick on and keep water safely pumped from your basement. Your home is an investment, probably the biggest investment you will make in your lifetime. And a battery-powered sump pump backup system makes sense to protect that investment. Not sure if you have a battery backup system for your sump pump? It's always a good idea to call on your local professionals when you need a hand.